Hello, I'm Aski. I want to talk about a woman don't require a higher education. Okay, let's see this video. Touching on women who don't need tertiary education is double standard, and I disagree. What is double standard? Double standard is a rule or principle which is unfairly applied in different ways to different people or groups. This moral norm is generally used in Indonesia by some people to judge the behavior of some other people who have different principles or belief or religious rules. If there are still people who blame women just because they want to continue their studies to a higher level, please think again. Do we want to jump again in colonial?
Some reason a woman needs to pursue higher education. 1. Because the first education in a child is in a mother. So, a mother is responsible for educating their children before entering formal education. Number 2. The intelligence of a child is very dependent on the intellectual abilities of the mother. 3. Women must be expensive with what is in the head, not only because of appearance. 4. Smart men will certainly choose a balanced woman. 5. As a form of female emancipation of gender equality campaigns by Raden Ajeng Kartini. 6. Education is an investment that shapes a person's character and personality in the long run.
Gender stereotypes that are rooted in the culture of society ultimately make a woman have to fully invent her dreams. Although in essence, a woman must be responsible for taking care of the household, but a woman who is smart, confident, highly educated will be able to produce and educate children who are smart, clear, and quality. So, in this day and age, it's feel very old to still forbid women from pursuing higher education. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.